Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of LinkedIn. Ever wondered how recruiters sift through countless profiles to find the perfect candidate? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 essential secrets that can make your LinkedIn profile truly stand out from the crowd. Stay tuned, because these tips could be the game changer you've been looking for. First, use the right keywords. Recruiters search for specific skills like Java, data analysis, or marketing strategy. These keywords are crucial for getting noticed. Make sure to add them in your headline, about section, and work experience. This helps your profile appear in search results. Additionally, consider including variations of these keywords to cover all bases. For example, use both data analysis and data analytics. This strategy increases your chances of being found by recruiters looking for your skill set. Second, make a strong first impression. Use a professional photo, clean lighting, formal attire, confident smile. This image is often the first thing people see, so it should reflect your professionalism and approachability. Additionally, craft a standout headline that captures your expertise and value proposition. For example, data analyst, vertical bar tableau, and SQL expert. This headline should be concise yet impactful, giving viewers a quick snapshot of your skills and what you bring to the table. Remember, first impressions matter. Third, stay active. Share posts, comment on industry updates, and keep your profile fresh. Activity boosts your visibility in recruiter searches. That's it. Keywords, professionalism, and activity are your winning formula. For more career tips, follow Sharp Career. Let's grow your career together. See you soon.